If you fool with old cars like I do, and I'm sure if you're watching this, you like old cars. But anyway, I've collected old stuff over the years. I actually started out years ago with my dad. We'd after church, we'd load up in an old '77 Dodge van, and I'd get a big old bag of sour cream and onion tater chips and a Coca-Cola, and we'd go out looking for cars, especially in the fall when the leaves are off, and we'd drag all kinds of stuff in. Daddy's we get up there, I'll show you when the leaves kind of come off and there ain't so many bees. I just hate bees, but you know how they do. They'll eat you up, especially them little hornets. But anyway, I got some cars down at the house that I've got to get out of the yard. My wife says, hey, you've got a place to put them, get them out of the yard. I'm tired of looking at them, which I don't blame her for that. But we do have a place, but the problem is I got two boys and they drag in about as much as I do. So if you can see over my shoulder, we've got all kinds of stuff sitting here, nobody rhyme nor reason, not just park them wherever and then deal with it later. But anyway, we're trying to clean this thing up, get the cars from down there up here, and this is a 70, I guess it's 70, I guess that'd be a 77 Plymouth Trail Duster. I can't remember exactly, but anyway, that is a Trail Duster. Used to drive it, and then that's going to be a 72 Jeep. That's the short, I call it the short nose because they lengthened them, I think, in 73 to put the V8 and the inline 6 in on. That's got the little Buick V6. But anyway, we got to get it dug out because we're going to move this over a little bit where we can get some more room in here. And but we got stuff like this sitting here that we've picked apart, and nothing left of it needs to go, and more stuff sitting here. This is a old Lincoln. This is actually this is a movie car, not a big movie. It's one of them low budget movies. But anyway, I think it's called The Devil to Pay. But that's actually the movie car out of that. I was actually in that movie. They killed me. I think they killed me right before the credits. I was up there. The window wouldn't open on it, and so I had to go up there and work on the window. And while I was there, they're like, "Hey, we need somebody to die." So I think my total movie career lasted about 15 seconds, but anyway. But we got, like I said, we got other stuff sitting around here we got to get out. That little old tracker, it's about done. That red Ford truck, we'll talk about it here for long. We've actually put a 460 down in it and had a little bit of bad luck, but anyway, we got to get these out. That blue van there, that's actually that's the van we pulled the motor out of to go in the Bluesmobile. It's eat up with rust, but now it's full of engines. There's 2, 3, 4 40s, a couple of 340s in there, and what all. You can't get enough place to put it. But anyway, we're going to try to dig this out here. And like I said, we got the backhoes and the track hose up here and cleaning up. Trying to get out of the doghouse. All right, we got this thing dug out, and we're going to see if we can get the Plymouth Trail Duster fired up and pulled out of here. Little 318.
318. Hey, snake, go.
Seen a snake? Oh. All right, let's see what we can do. I don't think that battery's no good. Let's get us a battery out here. Y'all can see that right there. That is snake skin. See that? That's what that is. That's snake skin.
Yeah,
Hope he's a nice snake. There's no way that battery's any good.
I remember used to riding this thing about all the time.
Yeah.
When you first got it. I got the red on positive and the brown on negative.
That's good, Tom.
Server too.
Old chocolate.
Get that stick out of there.
What's this?
Want to turn the carburetor?
All right, get in there. Let's try it.
Put a little smart water in the carburetor.
That worked good. Don't rev it up. It cranks. Just let it idle. Pull that dipstick out. See what the oil looks like. Can you? Right here.
Hello, Mr. Sneaky.
It's at the low above the head line.
How long did this thing get sit?
I don't know. How long has it been sitting here?
4 years maybe.
4 years?
Yeah.
I'll say it'll crank right up.
Probably.
Don't worry about a snake. It's a black snake.
I'm trying to go power time.
Okay.
Dust. Trail dust.
Trail dusty.
Right.
Listen to that. It's running, but not on its own. Oh, we got to work out something on the fuel. Well, it runs.
It runs.
4 years.
I'd say 4, maybe 5.
Gas. Gas is good. All right, y'all ready to see if this thing's going?
Yep.
How much you got in it? I think the guy that pours it in it's slow. Pour that little hole full right there. Yeah.
Hold on a second.
Yeah,
Hold on.
ain't gonna do it. We're gonna put a fuel pump on it. All right. All right, try it. No, we gotta put a fuel pump in. Let's just pull it out of the way for now. But we know it runs. All right, we got to put a fuel pump or something on the Dodge, but anyway, we ain't got time to fool with it today, so now we got it moved out. Moving to the
71.
is it 71? I was saying it's 72, but anyway.
It's a 71 CJ5. It's the last year of the little body, so it's like 5 inches shorter and 3 inches narrower than a normal CJ. It's got the Buick Compass V6 in it. And this was bought new from a golf course in Franklin, North Carolina. And that's where it lived its whole life until I bought it. And it had been used for fertilizer and everything else. And we went in and replaced the floorboards, front and rear, because they was just heat slap out of it. Had to get the steering shaft redone on it, and did some odds and ends. And I'm finally starting to get some of my projects caught up. So I think this is my next one. It's not really far out. I know it's sitting here looking rough, but I sandblasted it, and we had to fix some pieces on it, put some pieces here and there in the back, and getting ready. So this is probably going to be my next one, 71. And I've got most everything squirreled away one place or the other to get it back pretty close. So watch the channel, and you'll probably see this one come up pretty quick on getting it redone and ready to go. It's a cool bird, and it's a rare bird. So they don't make many of them at that size and all that, the options that it has.
All right, we're going to drag this one out now. All right, we got the corner cleaned out, so we got to do some earth moving, and I don't know. We're sitting here trying to figure out what to do with the cars. Ain't nothing to do. We move them one spot to another, put them in the way there, get mad because they're there, and then move them to another spot, and then they wind up in the way there, and then move back to where they was originally at. We'll get them there sometime, eventually. Daddy said they don't eat a thing. That's what my daddy always said. They don't eat
nothing.
Yeah, so I ain't
But
worried
they kill
about it.
space.
They do that. We got a few we got to get rid of, but we got to do some earth moving and some rearranging. Like I said, my wife said the cars in the yard have got to go. So how many we got down there?
7 or 8.
So but they're all running cars, but
What house?
Oh, no, more than that.
How many's down there? You got that Cherokee.
Oh, 11.
Okay.
11, 12.
11.
Yeah.
There's not 11 cars down there.
You got the
I
pickup,
think there's
you got the
6
pickup
or
truck, your guy. Let's see.
That Jeep.
Jeep, Cadillac,
Yeah.
Lincoln,
Lincoln,
The parts.
Shelby,
Caprice.
hard car for that.
the
and
Buick.
you
We got the Buick.
Yep,
and then
Buick.
you got the Shelby.
Anyway, it's a good problem to have, too many cars. Anyway, so that's it. We'll give you another video update on what's going on up here, and y'all be good.
Tune back in next time. Philip Drone Drill Boat coming to see what kind of mess we're in now.